A very good morning, students. So this is 12th standard chapter 1 electrostatics, in which you have studied earlier classes. You have studied about capacitors, what is capacitance, and also capacitor is, and also you studied about dielectrics. So now the chapter enhances like this, that what is the effect when a dielectric is introduced in a capacitor. So we know that capacitor is nothing but plain sheets of oppositely charged sheets which is separated by a distance of d. When an electric field is applied, it can store charges and also it possesses potential energy. That is what is a capacitor is. So there are two effects. First one is that capacitor is connected with a battery, even like it is connected with a battery and then it is disconnected once when dielectric is introduced. The next one is that capacitor is connected to the battery even when dielectric is introduced. So the first one will be that when the capacitor is disconnected from battery. That is, this is what the initial condition is, where you have two plane sheets, positively charged and negatively charged, which is having an electric field of E, wherein there is a distance of separation which is d, and you have applied an electric field here. You have charged to a battery. Now there is an dielectric which is introduced. In the place here you have air, but here you will have a dielectric of distance d, which is going to have epsilon r as its permittivity. Relative permittivity will be epsilon r. So what happens is that when you have introduced a dielectric, you yourself can see that electric field have got reduced. So this electric field E will be equal to E naught by epsilon r. What is this E naught? E naught is nothing but when electric field in the air. So E is nothing but in the medium. So this will be equal to epsilon naught by E naught by epsilon r. And when this epsilon r is greater than 1, then this E value, because here it is divided by 1 or it is greater than 1, so what will happen? This value will be a lesser value. So if epsilon r is greater than 1, then E will be equal to lesser than E naught, where by introducing an dielectric which has more than 1, what am I going to feel as an effect is that its electric field is reduced. Now what happens to the potential? Here I have found out E will reduce. Now what happens to the potential? Potential also reduces, because V is equal to E into D. So naturally when E decreases, what will happen? Naturally this potential will also decrease. That is what I have got here. It will be V naught by E, where it has got reduced. But in the capacitance we have found that C is equal to Q by V. So which will be equal to epsilon r Q naught by V naught. Then this Q naught by V naught is nothing but C naught. That is when dielectric is introduced, which will be equal to epsilon r. And capacitance is given by this C naught. The capacitance is given by epsilon naught A by D, capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. So you write C will be equal to epsilon r epsilon naught A by D. That is, C is nothing but when dielectric is introduced, and C naught is so that is C is where when dielectric is introduced, and C naught is where capacitance in the air. So when I have substituted this, what I can understand, this is epsilon r epsilon naught A by D, which this one is nothing but epsilon. In the initial when we learnt permittivity, there itself we have learned this concept, that epsilon r into epsilon naught will give you epsilon. So what does this concludes is that C will increase the capacitance. That is, when you have introduced a dielectric, that capacitance value is greater than C naught. So by introducing a dielectric, what happens here? So by introducing a dielectric, what has happened? This C value is increased, is greater than C naught. C naught is when air is there. So thereby I should find out next the potential energy. What happens to the potential energy? You substitute U is equal to half C naught square by C and substitute its value, where you come across that U naught by epsilon naught. What does this means? Divided by epsilon naught. So energy decreases, capacitance increases, but energy decreases. So understood, children? Very good.